Welcome all in my class. Today I am going to explain about RCSB database. What is RCSB? The full form of RCSB is Research Collaboratory for Structural Bioinformatics. RCSB is the US data center for Global Protein Data Bank (PDB), archive of 3D structure data for large biological molecules, proteins, DNA and RNA, essential for research and education in fundamental biology, health, energy and biotechnology. The Protein Data Bank (PDB) was established as first open access digital data resources in all of biology and medicine. It is today a leading global resource for experimental data central to scientific discovery. Through an internet information portal, the downloadable data archive, PDB provides access to 3D structure data for the molecules of life found in all organisms on the planet. Knowing the 3D structure of a biological macromolecules is essential for understanding its role in human and animal health and diseases, its function in plants and food and energy production, and its importance to other topics related to global prosperity and sustainability. The enormous wealth of 3D structure data stored in the PDB has underpinned significant advances in our understanding of protein architecture, culminating in recent breakthrough in protein structure prediction accelerated by artificial intelligence approaches and deep or machine learning methods. RCSB PDB Research Collaboratory for Structural Bioinformatics (PDB) operates the US data center for the global PDB archive and makes PDB data available at no charge to all data consumers without limitations on uses. The vision of the RCSB PDB is to expand the frontiers of fundamental biology, biomedicine, energy sciences and biotechnology through open and sustainable access to the 3D structure, function and evolution of biological macromolecules contained in the Protein Data Bank archive. Recognized expert in fields including but not limited to structural biology, cell and molecular biology, computational biology, information technology and education serve as advisors to the RCSB PDB. First of all, we must have to know about the history of RCSB. The PDB was established in 1971 at Brookhaven National Laboratory under the leadership of Walter Hamilton and originally contained 7 structures. After Hamilton's untimely death, Tom Querzel began to lead the PDB in 1973 and then Joel Sussman in 1994. Led by Helen M. Berman, the Research Collaboratory for Structural Bioinformatics (RCSB) became responsible for the management of the PDB in 1998 in response to an RFP and a lengthy review process. 3 institutions were involved: Rutgers, UCSD, SDSC and CARB or NIST. In 2003, the Worldwide Protein Data Bank (WWPDB) was formed to maintain a single PDB archive of macromolecular structural data that is freely and publicly available to the global community. It consists of organizations that act as deposition, data processing and distribution center for PDB data. CARB NIST left RCSB PDB in 2005. Stephen K. Burley became RCSB PDB director in 2014. Helen M. Berman currently serves as director emerita. UCSF joined RCSB PDB in 2019. In 2021, RCSB PDB and the WWPDB celebrates the 50th anniversary of the PDB with symposia, materials and more. Now we will learn about the policies of the RCSB. First one is the citation policy. PDB entries are assigned a PDB ID that corresponds to a digital object identifier DOI and are frequently described in a publication by the structure authors. Second, DOI citation should include the entry authors, structure title, deposition year and DOI. Third one is a PDB structure with a corresponding publication should be referenced by PDB ID and cited using both the corresponding DOI citation and publication. Fourth one, PDB structure without a corresponding publication should be referenced by PDB ID and the DOI citation. Fifth one is RCSB PDB should be referenced with the URL rcsb.org. Sixth one is the RCSB PDB is a member of the worldwide PDB WWPDB. WWPDB should be cited with the URL www.pdb.org. Seventh one is images from and or of structure, summary and group summary pages and tabs including screenshots should cite the RCSB PDB and PDB entry. Images created using PDB data and other software should cite the PDB ID, the corresponding structure publication and the molecular graphics program. Refer to AlphaFold protein structure database for preferred citation of AlphaFold DB structures. Refer to Model Archive for preferred citation of Model Archive structures. Molecule of month illustrations are available under a CC BY 4.0 license. Attribution should be given to David S. Goodsell and RCSB PDB. Molecule of month articles are copyrighted by RCSB PDB and the article authors. Text can be reprinted and permission with attribution and without the right to manipulate or change content. Content info@rcsb.org for permission. Other usage of rcsb.org content, user guide, documentation, statistics, graphs and other screenshots is available under CC BY 4.0 licenses. Attributes should be given to RCSB PDB as described previously. Usage policies. The WWPDB policy states that data files contained in PDB archive are available under the CC 01.0 Universal CC 01.0 Public Domain Dedication. All data provided by RCSB PDB programmatic APIs are available under the same license. All data are presented without any warranties about the work. RCSB PDB disclaims liability for all uses of the work to the fullest extent permitted by applicable law. Users of PDB data are encouraged to attribute the original author of the PDB structure data where possible. RCSB PDB software products are distributed under the terms of an open source license, MIT or Apache 2.0. Every organization has their vision and mission. On the basis of that, they finalize their future plan of action. Now we will discuss about the vision and mission of RCSB. First we will discuss about the vision. To expand the frontiers of fundamental biology, biomedicine, energy sciences and biotechnology through open and sustainable access to the 3D structure, function and evolution of biological macromolecules contained in the Protein Data Bank PDB archive. And now mission. To support the needs of diverse evolving user communities spanning fundamental biology and biochemistry, biomedicine and drug discovery, energy sciences, bioengineering, biotechnology and computer science through RCSB PDB services. Deposition, biocuration, providing efficient resources for collection, validation and biocuration of 3D biostructures in collaboration with the worldwide PDB partnership. Archive management access, enabling open access to PDB data following best practices for data standards, integration and delivery. Data exploration, advancing basic and applied research through user focused query, visualization and analysis of PDB data alongside related biological content, and training, outreach and education. Building the supporting the broad PDB user community with a wide range of resources for understanding 3D biostructures. All services follow the data stewardship principles of FAIR, F-A-I-R. Data are findable, accessible, interoperable and reusable, and FACT, F-A-I-R, accurate, confidential and transparent. RCSB diversity and inclusion. It integrates the value of diversity, entity and inclusion into all aspects of RCSB PDB community with empathy and self-awareness, and supports the professional development, personal growth and life balance of team members. Some core values of RCSB are innovation and creativity. It promotes the problem solving and exploration by accepting new approaches within an atmosphere of trust and openness. Integrity. It adheres the highest standard of honesty, fairness, transparency and accountability in all our actions. Passion. Its desire to share the excitement about science and others. Leadership. We embody and promote the highest standards of scientific rigor in data management, archive, dissemination and training, research and scholarship. It helps in modern research approaches to developing cutting edge methodologies for data science. Teamwork. It fosters effective communication, collaboration, cooperation, accountability, mutual respect and can do attitude. User focus. They are dedicated to supporting the needs of our diverse user community through active communication and targeted engagement. PDB archive contains greater than 1 TB of structured data of protein, DNA and RNA. The PDB archive grows at the rate of nearly 10% per year, used to download greater than 2 million structured data files per day, managed by international collaboration. US, Asia, Europe manages big data, a global public good, provides data critical to AI ML development. PDB data enable research is subject area from agriculture to geology analysis, contributed data to nearly greater than 1 million published research papers, used by greater than 475 biological data resources. Services supporting access to the biological molecule of the PDB archive. Service 1 deposition biocuration supports data depositors who submit the results of their structure studies of biological macromolecules to the PDB. All data deposited undergo expert review. Each structure is examined for self-consistency, standardization, using controlled vocabularies across referenced with other biological data resources, and validated for scientific technical accuracy. Service 2. Archive management and access supports the PDB data consumers by maintaining the PDB archive data dictionary, development and standardization, enabling global data delivery and DOI registration, and integrating PDB data with other available information. Third service is data exploration, supports PDB data consumers in the US and around the world through our open access web portal rcsb.org that provides tools for structure visualization and analysis. Fourth service, training, outreach and education, builds and supports the broad PDB user community with a wide range of resources for understanding 3D biostructures. Funding, from where RCSB receive the funds for running their organization. RCSB PDB is supported by grants from the National Science Foundation DBI, the US Department of Energy, and the National Cancer Institute, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, and National Institute of General Medicine Sciences of the National Institute of Health under grant R01 GM 133198. This is the number of grant. In the past, RCSB PDB was also funded by the National Library of Medicine, the National Center for Research Resources, the National Institute of Biomedical Imaging and Bioengineering, and the National Institute of Neurological Disorder and Stroke. Other funding awards to RCSB PDB by the NSF and the PDBE by the UK Biotechnology and Biological Research Council are jointly supporting development of a next generation PDB archive. Who are the users? RCSB PDB supports an international community of users, including biologists in fields such as structural biology, biochemistry, genetics, and pharmacology. Other scientists in fields such as bioinformatics, software developers for data analysis and visualization, students and educators at all levels, media writers, illustrators, textbook authors, and the general public impact. RCSB PDB services have broad impact across research and education. The integral RCSB PDB citation, Burman et al., Nucleic Acid Research 2000, is one of the top cited scientific publications of all time. In 2017, bibliometric analysis performed by Clarivate Analytics shows PDB motivated high quality research throughout the world. Paper cited had a citation based impact exceeding the world average in 16 scientific fields including biology and biochemistry, computer science, plant and animal sciences, physics, environment and ecology, mathematics and geosciences. In 2017, economic analysis performed by the Rutgers Office of Research Analytics noted that a reasonable estimate to replicate the PDB data archive at the time was $12 billion. Impact of PDB structure on US FDA drug approvals 2010 to 2016, supporting the NSF big ideas, supporting NIH in medical research, supporting the research goal of DOE, impact of PDB structures on anti-cancer drug approvals, PDB structures and the pandemic, protein data bank and 50 years of molecular structure, PDB citation mesh network explorer. Collaborations, Worldwide Protein Data Bank WWPDB. The Worldwide Protein Data Bank WWPDB was formed to maintain a single PDB archive of macromolecular structural data that is freely and publicly available to the global community. It consists of organizations that acts as deposition, data processing and distribution centers for PDB data. As the US data center, RCSB PDB biocurates structures submitted from the Americas and Oceania. PDB development. PDB DEV is a prototype archiving system for structural model obtained using integrative or hybrid modeling. EM data resource. EM data resource provides access to 3D EM density maps and metadata, news, events, software, tools, data standards and validation methods. Global resource for 3-dimensional electron microscopy, 3D-EM, structured data archiving and retrieval, news, events, software, tools, data standards, validation methods and community challenges. K-Base. K-Base enables user to analyze, share and collaborate using data and tools designed to help build increasingly realistic models for biological function. K-Base utilizes RCSB PDB APIs to provide users with access to PDB data. Developed for bench biologists and bioinformaticians, the Department of Energy System Biology Knowledge Base is a software and data science platform designed to meet the ground challenges of system biology. Predicting and designing biological function. Nucleic acid knowledge base NAKB contains information about experimentally determined nucleic acid and complex assemblies, and nucleic acid knowledge base NAKB, new portal for 3D structural information about nucleic acid, is the planned successor to the nucleic acid database NDB. NAKB provides search report, statistics, atlas and visualization pages for all nucleic acid containing experimentally determined 3D structure held by NDB and by the protein data bank PDB, including all major methods X-ray, NMR and electron microscopy. For each structure, links are provided to external resources that annotate and analyze nucleic acid structures and their complexes. Now, I am going to conclude this lecture in very precise manner. The RCSB protein data bank RCSB PDB is a resource that provides information about the 3D structure of biological macromolecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. It is a key resource for researchers in a field of structural biology, bioinformatics and molecular biology. Here are some key points about the RCSB protein data bank. Database of macromolecular structures. The RCSB PDB is a comprehensive database that stores the 3D structural data of a wide range of biological macromolecules including protein, nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, and complex assemblies. Structural information. It provides detailed information about the atomic coordinates, 3D structures and experimental data associated with the macromolecules. This data is obtained through techniques such as X-ray, crystallography, NMR spectroscopy and cryo-electron microscopy. Global collaboration. The RCSB PDB is part of an international collaboration that includes organizations in the United States, Rutgers University and the University of California, San Diego, Europe, PDBE in the United Kingdom and Asia, PDBJ in Japan. This collaboration ensures that structural data from around the world is collected and made available to the scientific community. Search and validation tools. The RCSB PDB offers a user-friendly website that allows researchers to search for specific structure, explore 3D visualizations of macromolecules and access associated experimental and annotation data. Educational research. In addition to serving the research community, the RCSB PDB provides educational resources to help students and educators learns about structural biology and the importance of macromolecular structure in understanding biological processes. Data deposition. Researchers who determine the 3D structure of a biological macromolecule are encouraged to deposit their data in the RCSB PDB. This promotes data sharing and transparency in the scientific community. API and data access. The RCSB PDB provides programmatic access to its data through APIs, application programming interface, allowing developers to integrate structural biology data into their own applications and research workflow. PDB ID. Each entry in the RCSB PDB is assigned a unique identification known as PDB ID. Researchers often refer to structures by their PDB IDs when citing or sharing structural data. The RCSB PDB plays a crucial role in advancing our understanding of biology and drug discovery by providing access to the 3D structure of biomolecules, which is essential for studying their functions and interactions. Researchers from various fields use this resource to advance their work in areas such as drug design, protein function prediction, and understanding the molecular basis of diseases. Now I am going to give you some glimpses of home page of RCSB. This is the home page of RCSB. From here you can search the desired protein structures. In the left side of the home page, deposit tab is there. With help of this tab, you can submit the protein structure after preparation and validation of the protein structures. The next tab is search. With this tab, you can search the wide range of structure attributes. You will be able to search the search protein structures by global shape similarity. You can draw a molecule and use the smileys to search the molecules in the CCD. You can also search entries released since last few days. Sequence similarity search may be performed to find similar protein and nucleic acid sequences using the MMSEQS2 method. Chemical similarity search find ligands bound to macromolecules by Smiley's string in CH1 or chemical formula. You can browse by annotations, PDB entries in context of annotations by various ontologies and hierarchical classification schemes. You may also see for unreleased entries that are being processed, on hold waiting for release, or have been withdrawn. You can also see the PDB statistics, PDB data distribution, archive, growth, and more. The next tab in the left of the home page is visualization. From this tab, 3D visualization for PDB structures and ligand binding sites. Access from each structure summary page may be identified. Graphical summaries of the correspondences between PDB entity sequences and genome can be accessed from the structure summary page. Graphical summaries of protein features and their relationships with UniProt KB entries can be seen from here. Next tab is analysis. From here, you can find the pairwise structure alignment, identify the structure quality, PDB citation, Mesh Network Explorer, PPIC biological assemblies, symmetry resources in the PDB, grouping structures, PDB statics, external data and resources. From the download tab, you can download the data in batches. In the next class, we will learn how to retrieve the information from the RCSB. A demo is also available of these options which we are discussing here. Thanks a lot.